Alright, just going to go through some examples here. We're using string methods. So we have an example sentence here. Right here it says this is an example sentence, this is another sentence, and nothing is capitalized. So I'm going to run this just so it's loaded and return it. You can see it's a string. Now you want to check and see if it's uppercase. So you see is uppercase method, false because it's not uppercase. Now you can use the converse there, which is lower, and that will tell you true because everything is lower. Say you actually wanted to make it all uppercase. Well, just drop the is and just put upper. Right now, this doesn't assign it to a new variable. You'd have to reassign it. So if I did this, for example, it's still the original string. Similar with lower. Lowercase is already lowercase, so not a great example, but if it was all uppercase, you can lowercase it. And then if you want to capitalize the first character, so the T in that first sentence, you do that. Pretty straightforward. It comes in handy when you need to look at strings and do comparisons, and they have different cases, so you can just make them all upper or all lower and then do a comparison.